Prove trigonometric identity, which happen to be double angle identity. The identity is cosine 3 theta equals 4 cosine cubic theta minus 3 cosine theta. And the hint is we're going to start from left hand side and we're going to drive to the right hand side. Prove trigonometric identity, which happen to be double angle identity. The hint is we're going to start from left hand side and drive to the right hand side. The identity is cosine 3 theta equals 4 cosine cubic theta minus 3 cosine theta. And here is the detailed proof. We're going to start with left hand side, which is cosine 3 theta, and we're going to write this equal to cosine theta plus 2 theta. We're going to write the 3 theta as theta plus 2 theta. Now that is cosine A plus B. It is cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B, where theta is A, 2 theta is B. That means this is cosine theta cosine 2 theta minus sine theta sine 2 theta. Now this cosine 2 theta is double angle identity and this sine 2 theta is double angle identity. One of the double angle identity for cosine 2 theta is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. And the double angle identity for sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. Therefore, this is equal to cosine theta times cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta minus sine theta times 2 sine theta cosine theta. Therefore, this is cosine cubic theta minus sine squared theta cosine theta minus 2 sine squared theta cosine theta. So this is equal to cosine cubic theta minus 3 sine squared theta cosine theta. Now we need to write this everything as cosine theta, so we need to convert the sine squared theta to 1 minus cosine squared theta. Therefore, this is equal to cosine cubic theta minus 3 times 1 minus cosine squared theta times cosine theta. Therefore, this is equal to cosine cubic theta minus 3 cosine theta times 1 minus cosine squared theta. Therefore, this is cosine cubic theta minus 3 cosine theta minus minus is plus, so this is plus 3 cosine cubic theta. Therefore, this is equal to cosine cubic theta plus 3 cosine cubic theta is 4 cosine cubic theta minus 3 cosine theta. So we have started with the right hand side, which is cosine 3 theta, and arrived to 4 cosine cubic theta minus 3 cosine theta, which is the right hand side. And that is the end of the proof. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.